Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video, and in this video I'll simply be showing you how you can go ahead and add a collaborator on Instagram after posting so what you gotta do is simply go ahead, open your Instagram. Once your Instagram is open, what you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on your profile icon right there. So if for example we did this post right here, right, so we could not tag the collaborator right there, we couldn't add it. So what we can do is simply tap on this three dot option right here, and now we will get this all information, right? If we tap on this edit option given, now you can see we have this add paid partnership level and add location. So one thing we can do is we can go ahead simply add type in @ and mention that person, and then they will get notified and they can share the post. And other thing what we can do is simply go ahead, tap on this add paid partnership label, and you can see this generate partnership ad code. Simply go ahead, enable this. If we enable that, we will have to try allow ads with a professional account. We can simply go ahead, try professional tools, and we will allow permission so we can generate partnership codes, so that person will definitely be able to share our partnership code, and their person will simply be able to boost this post as an ad as well, if that is what you want. So yes guys, these are the options for you. There is no other way you can go ahead find this collaborator again after posting. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.